Welcome to Lunchtime Fun Time with me, Teacher Precious. Today's topic is bird feeding. Yes, I will tell you the 5 benefits of bird feeding. And at the end of the show, you can come to the hotel to answer a question and you will stand a chance to win a really cool prize. I am really excited for today's show and I hope that you are excited as well. Okay, let's get into it. You may be wondering, what is bird feeding? Bird feeding is the act of feeding wild birds using a bird feeder. Now let's get to the benefits of bird feeding. The first benefit is that bird feeding helps you to experience nature. Bird feeders can give you the opportunity to observe the wonders of nature. And also, if you have a bird feeder, it is a good way of learning the different kinds of birds. Number 2, bird feeders provide food during cold, barren months. Some bird species don't migrate during cold winter months. So when food is scarce and covered in snow, bird feeders provide an important and easily accessible source of food for winter birds. Benefit number 3. Bird feeders give birds energy for migration. A lot of food sources along the migration routes help birds to get food and the energy that they need to continue with their migration journey. Benefit number 4, bird feeding helps more baby birds to survive and thrive. A simple act of putting out a bird feeder and keeping it clean and full of food can greatly improve the chances that birds and their little baby birds will survive. Bird feeding offers relaxation and it decreases stress. One of the most relaxing sounds you can experience is the joyful sound of wild birds on the trees around your backyard. People enjoy bird feeding as a source of soothing sounds, and they can get to see the natural beauty and entertainment that the birds will bring just outside of their windows. Okay, everyone, it is now time for our vocabulary words. We will see the words in English and in Chinese. The first word is barren land. The second word is migration. The third word is thrive. And here is a sentence pattern that we learned today. It provides food for cold, barren months. You can also use the sentence pattern like this. It provides birds with energy for migration. Okay, it is now prize time, and I want you to name just one of the benefits of bird feeding. Please come to the hotel and name one benefit of bird feeding. I will be waiting for you at the hotel from 12:25 to 12:35. I'm so excited to hear your answers. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.